I'm Dr. Madnani. I'm a facial plastic surgeon here in New York. I have two practice locations, one in New York City and one out here on Long Island. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our Naturalift procedure. What's a Naturalift procedure? The Naturalift is a lower facelift that we were able to perform without general anesthesia. Most surgeons perform this procedure in a hospital and they put patients under general anesthesia. We are able to perform this procedure without general anesthesia in two ways. You can choose to be sleepy under IV sedation, or you can have it done under local anesthesia with oral sedation. I'm going to review the procedure with you briefly. So the benefits of our procedure are as follows. Number one, we're able to do it here in our offices. We have certified procedure rooms and operating rooms at both our locations. We're able to perform it under local anesthesia with oral sedation or IV sedation. We don't do general anesthesia, which many patients are afraid of. Surgery takes about 2 hours for the lower facelift. There are no big drains that we place, and recovery is about 10 to 14 days. I'm going to review with you briefly two patients. So there's our patient, here's her before picture. She's in her late 50s, early 60s, so she's 59 years old. She's unhappy with the crepiness and looseness in the lower face and neck area. She's beautiful, she's got a nice bone structure, so we performed a combination of procedures. And this is her after picture. This is taken about a year later. You can see how gorgeous she looks. The procedure, briefly, we make incisions around the lines of the ear up here. We go behind the ear cartilage, around the earlobe. We go behind the ear and then back in the hairline, and we make an incision under the chin. The deep muscles, so it's a deep plane facelift, are elevated on the side of the face here. The neck muscles in the middle are tightened together, and the neck muscles at the back of the ear are also tightened. And we're able to get this result over here, looking gorgeous about a year later. Here's another patient who's 58 years old as well, and here's a before picture, and she underwent a Naturalift, which is a lower facelift deep plane technique performed under local anesthesia with oral sedation. She also underwent some laser skin resurfacing. And here she is afterwards. You can see how beautiful her neck and jawline is. And briefly, the procedure is performed with an incision around the lines of the ear. We go up here in the hairline, behind the ear cartilage, around the earlobe. The dotted line is behind the ear and then back in the hairline, and we make an incision under the chin. I elevate the deep muscles on the face. I elevate the back of the neck muscles, and I tighten the front of the neck muscles, and we're able to get this beautiful result. And she's about 2 months afterwards over here.